Okay, so here's my mask. And I need the luster dusts. I'm gonna move this aside. Okay, so here are the wings, whoops, that I told you I cut earlier. These are fairy wings that I got from Creations by Edith. And then I've got these pieces. Okay, and then here I've got a bunch of stars. This is what's going on the blue mask. I have all the stars and celestial pieces that go on the blue mask along with the moons that we did. And they're already colored. All I did was color it with a luster dust, silver, gold, and the midnight blue. So I used the midnight blue on those mostly. I got plenty of them, so let me get them all out. This is for the blue mask, so we'll just push those aside. And this is for the gold mask, which we're doing right now. The hardest part of this gold mask is going to be these wings that are coming out. They're going to be full of glitter. So we're using the purple, the blue. This is called Vivid Blue. You can use any blue, though. And then I've got a purple in here somewhere. I can't remember which one I used. I used this one. This is called Iris. And then I used a green sour apple. That's not the one I used. I don't remember if I used sky. I can't remember which green I used. It might be sour apple. And then I have the silver and the gold. So I've got the hologram silver and the hologram gold, which are right here. Okay, so here's the colors I'm using. We're done with the mask. You're going to go ahead and do your mask.
Alrighty.
All right. And here are a lot of the pieces I told you that I had. Okay.
All right.
So if you look at my mask, I know that I am using this
We need this too.
as the top. We will need that. You and I will both be, we have another bag, but I didn't, one of these is flipped. And I can do, you know, I have all sorts of things that I can do on these masks. So we can do them like that. I know that I want this. Okay, so we got those, and then I have these guys here, which I'm using. Actually, I'm going to use the green ones. Okay, so there's mine, and then the dragées. Now to put the stuff on, to do these, I'm going to dust it. These I'm going to just put the glitter on, and to do that I'm using just water. I could use alcohol, but I'm just using water.
Use the alcohol.
I need the alcohol. And with the fan on, it's going to blow all over the place. Oh, look at you. But we're just going to basically, I paint it. Paint it and then sprinkle. Oops. Lovely.
Guys,
That's just lovely.
I'm off camera.
Does that feel better?
Refreshing. Feel better.
Okay, and then I use a dry brush to brush the excess off.
It was Lou Pills.
Let me get one. So once I get the dust on there, anywhere it's not supposed to be, I just use the dry brush and it comes off. Okay. And anywhere I missed, just dip it in or sprinkle it on. If I missed somewhere.
We don't need to be symmetrical or anything, do we?
No, you don't. In fact, a lot of them are asymmetrical, so by all means, live it up.